So today we are in area in Ubud. So basically we will show you one village. It's about 20 minutes from the Ubud center. It's called Desa Nyuh Kuning or Yellow Coconut. This traditional village in Ubud area. You see, there is one tourist, just walking. So it's still like the old traditional village, but already touristy. So yeah, we will show you how it is. If you have ever been to the village Desa Nyuh Kuning, this is for you.
So let's have a spin around. That's me talking. I will drive a little bit faster today because the distance is pretty big. But I want to show you something different. As recently, time to time, we are trying to show you something different. Even everything was covered. Even actually, we made a video on this street already. Have you ever watched our old videos, especially every video what we made, you should be familiar with it. Anyways, this street will end up, just to give you the tip, will end up where is the Warung. But the
Cafe
other
Wayan,
one, Cafe Wayan, yeah, but a different one, not this one on Jalan Monkey Forest, but a different one. Plus, as the bonus is, as we're gonna drive underneath the Jalan Monkey Forest. I mean, like we're gonna enter Monkey Forest, but like there is like a tunnel little bit. So that's very interesting. To cover the whole entire road, you have to go by bike. And as you can see, the vibe here is totally different to other parts of Ubud, even to Jalan Visma or something, because not too many villas or something. Still a village vibe, but some international visitors working here, and also the barong here. And basically, this is it.
Yeah, and this area is also famous for the more budget-friendly, homestay. You see on the left, on the right, there are many restaurants, which Ubud is famous about vegan restaurant, vegetarian restaurant, just like this one on the right side. Some tourists are here, basically because this area is just about, I think, 2 kilometers from the Ubud center. So it's not as crowded as Ubud center, but people still can enjoy the Ubud vibe that what people are looking for, like this one. See, many nice cafe shop, coffee shop, restaurant, boutique. And
yeah, this
here
is it.
we are.
Actually, the Cafe Wayan is here.
No, in the front, honey.
Yeah.
And in the front, here is the Cafe Wayan.
Here we go. It's called Slaka Leka and Cafe Wayan. And basically, the road is finishing here, like for the cars. And then there is already the forest, what you can see here, belongs to basically Monkey Forest. Just from the other side, what 90% of tourists don't have an idea of something like this here. And now, this is where the adventure is starting. You're going to the small alley like this one. You can do it only driving a motorbike. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is, you can do only driving a bike, and also you have to be at least a little bit experienced one. And basically we are driving just behind this wall is Jalan, it's just Monkey Forest, literally, over here. Oh, here we go, have to give away a little bit because the road is too small.
We are escaping the traffic of Ubud center.
Yeah, but going to the another traffic of jungle. But this is like a shortcut, like jungle shortcut is famous. This is proper shortcut.
This is Monkey Forest shortcut. You see on the left, people are in the Monkey Forest.
You're right.
Yeah.
This is how it's the situation here. So the Monkey Forest is there, and people are, driving around, including us. So this is something totally different. And what I'm gonna tell you is busy actually for the shortcut. There are holes, so you have to give the way to the people.
Ooh, there's a monkey there.
Huh?
There's a monkey almost jumping on my camera. Look.
Yeah. All right, I was focusing on the driving, but yeah, this is it.
Ooh, look at that.
This is actually, whoa, the monkeys
Oh.
crossing the bridge, the monkeys on the middle. Yo, what's up? Oh. This is actually driving here. I wouldn't recommend if you don't have experience on driving at all, actually, because you may get scared by the monkeys or traffic. And then we are passing the tunnel. What I mentioned.
Oh, there's a monkeys. Hello.
Yo, what's up, monkey? Just jump on the camera. So it's a lot of fun, actually. And then we just arrived to legendary Jalan Monkey Forest.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here
and the
we
traffic,
are.
and the traffic
Monkey,
started.
Dogo.
Monkeys, traffic, cars, buses, everything is here. And the monkey forest. And then, as we are already here, we're gonna show you the Jalan Monkey Forest itself. But this is very interesting way how we can start and show you the Jalan Monkey Forest basically. The traffic is actually, I don't know why it's like that, but this is the corner of Jalan Monkey Forest, actually of the Monkey Forest itself. Well, Jalan as well, the street. And during the pandemic it was totally deserted here, everything. Maybe you remember monkeys were jumping on the cables on the shops. And they were
Oh,
not
still,
much.
look. That's on the cable.
Yeah, they
Look,
still
look,
actually.
the Monkey King on the cable.
Oh yeah, he's hanging around. Hanging literally. And yeah, and this is the Jalan Monkey Forest. So, on today's occasion I'll show you. Actually the street, previously the village, it wasn't that long and that far as I thought.
Yeah, that's called Desa Nyuh Kuning
Yeah,
Mas.
it was pretty short actually. And this is Jalan Monkey Forest. We're gonna show you for another few minutes till the end to the art market direction. It's also better to drive here rather than walk because the distance is actually pretty big.
Yeah,
But,
and I think that is the quite good for me road to escape from the Ubud traffic.
Yeah. Actually, you know, if you're not afraid to driving on the small shortcuts like this, you can escape quite a lot of traffic, you know. But of course, this is only for the bikes and better like that. I can already imagine they make it bigger and the cars going there. That will be fun. And this is the Jalan Monkey Forest itself. Actually, we are at the beginning of the traffic, like trying driving slower here. That was the Cafe Hawaiian as well, actually we passed it. And overall, as you know, Jalan Monkey Forest have some hotels, restaurants, bars, other establishments. But yeah, there are quite some tourists walking around, especially international, that's for sure. Not many domestics, so it's not that busy actually. Because if only international, there is not that busy just in general. And but yeah, there are actually some here and there people strolling, enjoying. And this is already the area where there is the stadium, what is transformed into parking area. And check this out, how big is it over
Yes,
there?
and you see that on the right side, like Damian explained, that it used to be a soccer field, now becoming the parking lots.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That's it.
hopefully
That's
they're
why,
reducing the traffic.
yeah, that's why
right?
the people don't park on the side of the road actually, which is good. Well, this is the aqua guy, so it's different, he deliver. But yeah, it's like this one. And the central Ubud definitely busier than the other parts. You can see already more people everywhere, on the left, on the right, on the street, jumping on the bikes and going to the hotels, just the drop off from the Grab or driver. So more things is going on.
Yeah.
Basically, we're gonna film also the Ubud Center on the next video. You will see. But from the street perspective, I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty busy. As always, Ubud is probably the busiest part of Bali so far right now.
Ubud and Canggu.
Ubud and Canggu, and even the little bit of the traffic situation here as well. I'm gonna use
I
the
think that the traffic
opportunity.
is only here, right?
Yeah, the traffic is only here because it's center, right? The Ubud center in general. So basically, this is it. And this is
Yeah.
actually the central location already. The art market is just at the front of us. We just stuck a little bit on the traffic. So this is it actually. What I gonna tell you?
I think that the matter is just only the volume of the transport. Here is quite big, and then the people dropping off passenger, and then pick up passenger. It's just like make it chaos.
Yeah.
But you see the number of the tourists. Yeah.
That's moderate.
Okay. So now let's go. Oh, the lady with the many doubles. Let's park our motorbike. So this one is the proper parking, guys.
And we will see you on next video as always. Bye bye.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
By the way, nice parking area.